Today is the day after Thanksgiving for us right now, so I guess technically Black Friday. And it rained harder last night than it's rained ever since we lived here in southern Utah. I'm a little concerned about our house because the roof is pretty new and not all the roof tiles are on yet. We are going to go over to the house right now and see if there was any leaks or any flooding inside of our new home. I hope not. And then the other thing that I'm concerned about is, I don't know if you saw it in a video a few days ago, but the swimming pool had the dirt that was kind of caving in on the side of it, and they dug trenches all around. So I'm curious to see if the trenches held up and if the wall didn't collapse, because apparently if the wall collapses, they've got to dig out and redo all of that rebar that's there because it's so much rebar. It is so muddy. Look at all the water everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This doesn't happen much where we live. Oh, running in the mud. Now we got to figure out a way. That black stuff looks pretty good. If we can just make it from here to there.
Too. It's all clean.
The roof looks pretty clean. Oh, Lincoln's going first. Oh, hey, whoa, mud. Oh, that was muddy. Okay, how did you do that? Oh, Claire's smart. Yes, Claire, good idea. Go over this way and go over here to this wood and then jump onto the black stuff. Yes, we did it. What do you think about the pavers? They look awesome. It rained all over these, but it didn't really mess it up. And it didn't really mess up the dirt that they have over there. That's impressive. All right, we made it in. The ceiling still looks like it's alive. Any leaks anywhere? Let's walk around and look. Oh, did the pool cave in? Oh my gosh, it survived.
Yes.
That's the part of the wall that would have fallen in. And it doesn't look like it fell in. There's quite a bit of water down here. Well, good news, the pool survived. That's really good and surprising to me because it's just a clay wall and it rained super hard last night, all night long, and it's gonna rain even more today. I'm not seeing any leaks in here. You good in your room? Let's go look in the master. Maybe in Mom's room, and then the bonus room upstairs. Any water in here? Nothing in there. Anything in here? No? Wait. No, we're good. Okay. No leaks in here. Anything in here? Oh, we did it! We survived the rainstorm of 2019.
We have to check upstairs.
Oh, yeah, okay. Shouldn't have celebrated. I take back that high five. Please don't be ruined.
This is the part I'm scared about.
Oh my gosh, we have carpet. Look at that. Look at this, our first ever carpet. Oh, it's so nice and quiet in here with the carpet. It's like a real house. We have a real house now. Look at this, guys. Our house, our roof survived. This is where I'm thinking we put our fancy TV, the wallpaper LG OLED TV. Big couch right here. We put a pool table right there. This could just be a fun place.
What about the studio?
Studio, it better not have leaked in our studio. Okay, we're gonna go check in the studio. This is just a random raw video of us checking in on the weather. That's just water everywhere. Some of you that live in Oregon and Washington and some places on the East Coast, you're gonna be watching this going, you guys are ridiculous. You got a little rain, so what? It doesn't rain here that often, okay? This is the first time, second time since we started building this home, like 6 or 7 months. Okay, there's the studio. I don't think we can make it there, guys.
Watch this.
I don't think we can make it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, the shoes. Oh no. Okay, check it out for us, Lincoln. Don't jump in the pool.
Water in it though.
Oh my gosh. This is a bad idea. This is a bad idea right here. He's still looking. He's still going around. Who knows why he took that long detour. Oh no. Don't get mud in there. How's it look? Good? Okay. Don't come in the house with your dirty feet. Oh my dear. All right, see ya. Good news, our house is waterproof. And bad news, Lincoln ruined his shoes. But he did it to check on the water, so maybe it's okay. Man, we got all kinds of stuff going on in here though. Look at all the extra tile that they're working on for that bathroom where they have to take it and they have to put it on here and then cut it. The pavers look amazing. Amazing. Just awesome. I can't believe the rain didn't ruin that whole area right there. Look at Lincoln's shoes, guys. Oh no. Oh, that's cleaning them. Oh yeah. Wow. Goodbye, Adidas. See you in the car.
I like these shoes.
All right, so we made it in here. I think I'm gonna make Lincoln throw away his shoes or leave them out. There's no way he's getting inside of this Tesla with those shoes on. These are the things that you do when you're building a house. You think about it every day. It rains and you're like, oh no, how's my house? I was a little concerned last night and I was really anxious to get over here this morning. So here we are, oh no, there he is. Get him back there. Trying to get all the dirt off his shoes. All right, I'm thinking you just leave those shoes here. We don't want those in the car. Just take them off and leave them out here.
No, I like these shoes though.